Are you ready to explore the world? Traveling is one of the best ways to open your mind, meet new people, and discover amazing places. But before you pack your bags, there is something important: knowing the right travel tips. In this video, we will share smart and simple worldwide travel tips that will help you travel like a pro. Whether you are going on your first trip or your 10th, these tips will save you time, money, and stress. So sit back, relax, and let's start your journey to becoming a smart traveler. Plan before you go. Planning is the key to a great trip. Before you travel, research your destination. Learn about the culture, weather, food, and transport system. Make a list of places you want to visit. Book your flights and hotels early to get the best prices. If you plan well, you can enjoy your trip without any last minute stress. Pack light and smart. Packing too much can make your trip hard. Always pack light and bring only what you really need. Choose clothes that you can mix and match easily. Use travel size toiletries and roll your clothes instead of folding them. The same space. Always carry one set of clothes in your hand luggage in case your checked bag gets delayed. Keep important documents safe. Your passport, visa, and travel insurance are very important. Keep them in a safe place like a travel pouch or neck wallet. Take photos or make digital copies that and save them in your email or cloud storage. This will help if you lose the originals. You need them for any reason. Get travel insurance. Many people forget about travel insurance, but it's a must. It helps if your flight gets cancelled, your luggage gets lost, or you face any medical emergency abroad. Travel insurance gives peace of mind so you can enjoy your trip worry free. Stay healthy during travel. When you travel, your body faces new weather, food, and routines. Drink clean water, eat light meals, and rest properly. Carry basic medicines for fever, cold, or upset stomach. If you have any medical condition, bring your prescriptions and medicines with you. Respect the local culture. Every country has its own culture and traditions. Always be peaceful and respectful. Learn a few local words like hello, thank you, and sorry. Dress properly, especially in religious or cultural places. Respecting people's traditions makes your travel experience more positive and memorable. Keep an eye on your money. Always keep your money safe. Don't carry too much cash. Use ATMs or digital payments apps. Split your money. Keep some in your wallet and some hidden in another place. Also inform your bank about your travel plans to avoid any issues with your credit or debit cards. Be aware of scams. Tourist scams are common in many countries. Always be alert if someone offers something too good to be true. it probably isn't real. Avoid sharing personal information with strangers and don't accept help from unknown people at ATMs. Use maps and offline apps. You don't always have internet while traveling. Download offline maps before your trip. Google Maps allows you to use map offline. Also download translation apps or phrase books. They will help you communicate even if you don't speak the local language. Stay connected with family. Always inform your family or friends about your travel plans. Share your location and contact details. If you are traveling alone, send a daily message or photo to let them know you are safe. Staying connected brings peace of mind for both you and your loved ones. Try local food. Food is an important part of every culture. Don't be afraid to try local dishes. Visit local restaurants or street food markets, but always make sure the food looks clean and fresh. Carry some snacks just in case you don't like the local taste. Be environmentally friendly. Travel responsibly. Don't litter. Use refillable water bottles instead of plastic ones. Respect wildlife and nature. If you visit beaches or forests, take your trash with you. Small steps can make a big difference for the planet. Learn basic local etiquette. In some countries, shaking hands is polite. In others, it's not. In some places, showing the bottom of your feet is rude. Learning small etiquette rules shows respect and helps you avoid uncomfortable moments. Stay safe at night. Avoid walking alone in dark or quiet areas. Use taxis or ride apps if you need to go out late. Keep your valuable hidden and always trust your instinct. If something feels wrong, leave immediately. Use public transport. Public transport is cheaper and gives you a real feel of local life. Learn how buses, trains, or motors work in your destination. In many countries, you can buy day passes or travel cards. They save money and are easy to use. Stay at local places. Instead of expensive hotels, try staying in guest houses, hotels, or local homestays. They are often cheaper and give a more authentic experience. You will meet other travelers and maybe even make new friends more around the world. Keep an emergency list. Write down emergency numbers like local police, your country's embassy, and hospital contacts. Keep this list both on your phone and on paper. If you ever lose your phone, you will still have access to important contacts. Stay updated on travel rules. Every country has its own rules. Some need visas, others have entry restrictions. Check the latest updates before you go. Also know about customs laws, what you can bring in or take out of the country. Wake up early. Morning are the best time to explore without big crowds. You can take great photos, enjoy peace, and see local life in a more natural way. Plus, it helps you make the most of your day. Keep learning while traveling. Travel is not just about seeing places, it's about learning. Learn from locals, their stories, and lifestyles. Every destination teaches you something new about the world and yourself. Capture memories, not just photos. It's great to take pictures, but don't spend all your time behind the camera. Take moments to really look around and enjoy. Memories you feel are more valuable than photos you take. Be flexible. Sometimes plans don't go perfectly. Flights get delayed or the weather changes. Don't stress. Be flexible and enjoy the journey as it comes. Often the best travel moments happen by surprise. Help other travelers. If you see someone confused or lost, help them if you can. Travel kindness goes a long way. You never know when you will need help too. Learn basic first aid. You don't have to be a doctor, but knowing how to handle small injuries or allergies can be very helpful while traveling. Enjoy every moment. Finally, remember, travel is not just about the destination, it's about the experience. Enjoy every meal, every view, and every smile you get. And that's it, your ultimate worldwide travel guide. Now you know how to plan, pack, stay safe, and make the most of every adventure. Remember, traveling smart means enjoying every moment without stress. So, whether you are heading to a busy city or a quiet island, keep these tips in mind. They will turn your trip into a lifetime memory. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your travel loving friends. Stay safe, keep exploring, and see you in the next adventure.